dim sum. Very taste good. So if you guys have chance, have dim sum. Every day have chance. You guys every day have dim sum? No. Why no? I doesn't every day have bibimbap.
So it's really good to have a sound check in front of you guys. So we were so expecting for this time, and like, of course, Tammy came to Hong Kong because of Mama, right?
Yeah, 18.
But for me, it's been a long time to see you guys. It's good to sing in front of you guys again, and we prepared a lot of new songs and the old songs too. So I know you guys, even I can't wait to sing and perform in front of you guys for tonight. I know you guys are expecting tonight's show, so yeah, we'll do our best. So enjoy the show. For now, like usually, next song is that song. Oh, sorry.
I think Hong Kong Shower love this song.
I listen to this song frequently. Frequently, I listen to
This song. Then next song is View.